The question that we've been asked is, what is this symbol where it says insecure content blocked? What we recommend when it says that is to actually load the unsafe script. Once it loads the unsafe script, it'll actually say that site is not secure. Just close that and then open a new window. Then go back to app.ulawpractice.com. Now everything should be fine. So basically the site is still secure, there's no unloaded script that's left over, and everything should be fine. Again, to summarize, whenever you see that problem, just close the browser and just reopen it, probably because Chrome had some issues loading all the scripts that we have, and then now it perfectly works fine. Thank you.